I say.
Adom more different.
Stringent object. Stringent object. No me more than say many adi
it way a object.
The size no so you fine.
Okay, the size now.
And this is in my den.
Okay, but your fat to the okay size now.
You so I den fine.
Okay, size the more thing.
As a son in my den.
It is a sape paper. It doesn't matter age, no. No. If you do it doesn't matter.
It doesn't matter the age. Oh.
For instance, it doesn't matter say if you are president Kufo on the crown mic here.
Oh yeah, it doesn't matter the age.
Say Tigo crown the crown. It doesn't matter.
Yeah,
the mic is also do a check camera.
Emuso de anonso de.
That is the definition of the man.
Yes.
Mic remote.
Anonso de. Yeah, because emu de
because of emu de.
Yeah.
It is when you are not born too far biologically. What when I bet to some.
Oh, but.
Over Jenny, if you're
yeah, so wow.
What's our boom?
I don't like it. The rigidity level is very good.
The rigidity level.
Yeah.
Na posu make out saying you go winner. As you are conscious, because say Yemfa Emro. LG inverter air conditioner and Apollonia City Development, Agbeve Herbal Hospital, Feco Spray Starch, Latest Foam, Societe Generale, and a Vodafone. One of us is for na posuno.
Good, but who you see word be reverter, and
what name was LG inverter air conditioners.
Inverter, because
so reverter no another.
So reverter there is it syllabated.
Syllabated.
2 syllabic words.
Okay.
So if you syllabate it, you get means again.
Again.
An emphasis. Repeat. And yes. And verter means somebody who is vetting somebody, like vetting committee.
So you are repeating emphatically on vetting.
Exactly. So if a minister designates
Designate.
Minister designates. Designate. Minister degree for maybe a ministry, when you are vetting you twice or repeatedly, you are being reverting to a reverter.
To a reverter.
Exactly.
Okay.
So,
all right.
Designate. Now, Delhi, we're Ghanaian observer, and no my say.
Okay.
But we mere shakes Abobloshi.
I know them say, "We Ghana man paying you one body children. Wait, my boss are really be on your Adamboa.
Oh yeah. Okay.
And easy was open.
Yes, Abobloshi for so Jenny Tumbuta.
Abobloshi. Abobloshi for Jenny too. Hey.
So no, I saw box. So everything is fine.
At the bush and be one village, one down.
Debbie was one by year and patam 1 million 2 months free ho. It develop a condition no ma. It go stars. Concrete num. Serifectars num. Enti Abobloshi.
Over the traffic cement, baby.
Traffic, baby. It was a very fine pa. I don't know why some but just among for standing ovation. No more bomb some sa. Emma Mampania Badia Chenua. Akeka Kabia was she bought me Kanya Minabosha and some at as was said you go muso. HS Moon and trim no crass will be too much for a hoda. He says you had developed one more. And also a Hunsem, what dear bar, my man in Saswa. Now, young father publisher. Dwaso, the new publisher.
The new publisher.
And was say, me fa de henkra mpunia.
But those when you
but doesn't pa. Man ya. Oh yeah, but radio so answering.
Councillor Luttrell.
No, man, don't attract the wrath.
Hey, sorry.
Mr. Luttrell.
Mr. I didn't see the offer, Mr. Luttrell.
If you say councillor on this radio again, you can be banished.
Oh, you be chamasu.
Into Christian Cranam Dwaso.
Mr. Luttrell.
Yes. A paper councillor no free ho.
Indelible
ink
and the
paper. And Lutrot, if you feel you can add Mr.
But the councillor is off.
Yeah, my more councillor so.
Okay.
Wherever councillor. And such as a more beer money this hard didn't fan can who tartan fanton so. Say your radio, say your TV, no one so him. No whatever big castle, yes, I dear no. Oh, I'm just a befrono. It is said, yeah. Ye twanda su e de free sa tate no ho so ko school sai kura e ko bo sa tate no ho degree a ye mfa tate ne man biem esan so mo chese wa abuse title na che a chese amfa ma eye moral decay eno decay society enunti enedie Ghana Psychology Council no and this actually dia bom chese mo bia so sama no so okrom ha biem emfrefre ni se di no a eno ho sensem ha na o ma hambo no papa eno ho so asem so o me de won ne dia ma media no se yenso bi circumspect se de be ya
yenso yen de
circumspect na yenkekan kansem bia ense da emfa ne kwam we ya Ghanaian Times o no hospital project abandoned no hospital project abandoned. No hospital project abandoned. And no Ghanaian Times, page 16.
Okay.
Health Minister, Erad Maman Roger say, hospital beer no okrum ha o maban se bia aban dada no eno maban ye hospital say see project nya de eno che se nya no kre na bi ho kra no mampan dada kwam nkuma bre so ene ye gya no besi na enti da so da ba bi no bi ka se na ye ndc ne start ye na pp ba ye no maban na eno kre bi animu a eno ho sensem so e wa president of the 74th session of UN General Assembly I no so sensem wo de ababe to the Ghanaian Times na animu a eno so e wa ha no a ye de etwa so daily graphic in now I say government abrogate Akwatia mine contract. Government abrogate Akwatia mine contract. Now I say a buying or pair scissors any tatra blade as a breno what trap contraja. And there Akwatia mine yadima mono senka eja diamond yum to bia no munyo no mahodo was say nankese se wo mu atua ayibi 17 million America Donald Trump dollars CB divestiture implementation committee. I almost said this thing. Now am I into bracket DIC? I almost said it. Enti sadia omo 20 year hen yeso man for fe enti breach of adiade and I just say honsem what they about the Ghanaian daily graphic the aba daily guide me the wie was say NDC exposes NDC lies. You see easy for say NDC for draw
expose easy
vice versa etiano no say wo mo do mo kokko register no wo ma mo bie no ma hwem na wo mo yesa no wo mo so chese wo mo so expose wo mo lies ahodo a the daily guide emum enso ede ho sensem bebre dia ba no payi a enu nya bi kenkan stories bebre ena wo daily guide num a wo dia ba NDC set up SWAT enu so ha third kidnapper lance extracted
then SWAT na mo better was the SWAT
o set up SWAT
okay
we nyina ya me short way no commission no ho sensem na bi na
okay
so editor take yi
but that's the weekend you be doing
mid them definitely
about to say with you
I have arrangement in my bedroom for the weekend as you know it's going to be Titanic.
Una so bia on the bedroom order.
I have arrangement. It's not about sleeping. It's about arrangement. What's made you can know? Made in the bedroom. Made them, and it's going to be Titanic enough.
Ebraso said the corruption watch. Ebro name happy birthday. Come a Dr. Nana Kwame. Kwamwa of Kwame. Is that correct? Dr. Kwame Kwama Kolebu Teaching Hospital and with the happy birthday Sunko and come on. Nana Prempensu UK United Kingdom, in fact, Utie Dwaso Nsem on Adom 106.3. We are so grateful. Sanchona, once Australia, Michael Nketiabuachi, Anafi London BMSU DJ Atotu, Anafi America Guy G, Anafi Ama Grant, Ana Baba Felix Munina, Edamase Majibra, O'Neill and Ponsanso Amsterdam, also Swajibra, also Utie na Oshebi, Moni Jimmy Fuguno, Edamase, Nana Kuredu, Miss K. Also what Jowolu, also Wajibra, also UTV. But you come wet purified water. Ye party, your wedding, if ye are sorry, a jasu, baby be will be a din suya jubiano, it should be a wet purified drinking water. A premium purified water. Ye treating what quine pasopa, a yema, nipediana say, ubetimianum. Keep drinking to save a life. Awake purified drinking water, one for life. The man down so can say, Yetititis Canosun Kakra, Edeco National Cardiothoracic Center for us, Kolebu. So far, Sika, the Akotrimuno, over a million Ghana City. Fred, yes, open to Donankasa, 0262 351251, Casapreco Company Limited, and this is Supasi Ediaba. Yankomra, Yaba, in Commodore Dona Elho, Corruption Watch, Yakwaba.
God can stop us now. 106.3 FM.
Jim FM 106.3.